waiting on PayPal to release your money. Here's how to get it off hold step by step. Now, if you see money on hold under your PayPal balance, click the link that says Know Your Options, and this should take you to another tab and show what actions you can take. And if you sold a physical item, the fastest way to release the hold is by adding tracking info. Go to the Activity tab, find the transaction, and click Get Your Money. Like and select the product, then add tracking number from a supported carrier. Then PayPal will release the funds in about 24 hours after delivery is confirmed. If it's a digital item or service, uh, then for example, like an ebook or tutoring, choose service or virtual product and then update the status to complete. For services, PayPal usually releases the payment after 7 days. Once after your confirm is done, no tracking needed, just the order status. In some cases, PayPal might hold the money for 21 days, especially if your selling patterns are new or changed recently. So to speed things up, you can use tracking, confirm the order status, or print shipping labels and directly from PayPal for auto tracking. And that's it. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.